10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And welcome back to the 10X Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Thursday, June 11th. It is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. XRP is coming in at $1.11. Let's dive right into today's video. Guys, first we're going to start this video off by going right into the chart, taking a look at XRP on the daily. And guys, what you guys can see as we came down, we perfectly tested what was support as resistance, and we have gotten rejected, and we are rolling back over, just as we have discussed in the previous video. If we take a look at the weekly, again, guys, I said we're probably going to come right up to about $1.19 to test this this level here, and then we're going to get rejected and start coming down. And so far, that is exactly what's happening. We'll kind of have to wait and see how this plays out. But altogether, guys, you know my stance. You know what I think. I think we're going lower down to the 70 to 90 cent range. So down in this area to form a bear market bottom for XRP. And guys, this is going to be historically the best place to buy and purchase and accumulate more XRP once we get down here. And then, as you know, guys, I am macro bullish on XRP for the long term. I believe XRP is going to tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars in the future. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But taking a look at the 4 hour, it looks like we are pushing up a little. Maybe potentially we are forming a bullish W reversal pattern. So we'll be looking at that, keeping our eyes on this chart to see if we're going to roll over or continue actually pushing back up towards $1.19. Based on the daily, though, we did get rejected from it and we came down. And the weekly kind of looks like we want to continue downwards. But the 4 hour, we'll have to see what happens in the immediate short term for the price of XRP. Altogether, guys, I do think we are going much lower. Let's dive right into it on X. If you don't follow me on X, follow me at official NDE. Let's get right into it. We've got XRP. The most logical resistance levels during this next bull run is $5, $17, and $36. You can see these levels right here, guys. This channel, look at this macro support. So I do think we could potentially come down to this macro support around 80 cents, 90 cents before actually running up to these levels. The first level is $5, the second is $17, and the third is $36, and they equal 589. Coincidence, or have we been looking in the wrong place all these years? Guys, it could be coming up to this 589 level with these different price levels in the immediate short term here. We got from Crypto Billaboo, the same fractal, same wave. It is sufficiently the bottom. And if it does go down further, I will buy more and more. Phoenix is rising soon. This year is that year. So guys, let me know what you think. I do think we could still see XRP have a major run up this year. And looking at this chart, you can see we are at the absolute bottom here, potentially even going lower. But then based on the fractal, it looks like within the next month, we just start moving parabolically all the way up to $17 and then all the way up to $113. Let me know what you guys think, though. I don't know if we're going to move that quick, but anything's possible. And based on the fractal, it does look nice. And it gives an idea that we could potentially have a violent move to the upside very, very soon. We've got Stellar Lumens. Mastercard is expanding its settlement capabilities with additional intraday, weekend, and holiday card settlement using regulated stablecoins. Programmable, always-on payments now on Stellar. So very, very interesting stuff. Stellar is also, I would say, a solid project to be in. If you take a look at the Stellar chart, you can see we're currently at 18.5 cents. So Stellar had a major run up, and it's definitely been doing fairly decently well, especially looking at the weekly. We'll see if we can hold this line here and continue to the upside. We've got from Crypto Rover, President Trump is expected to sign the Clarity Act. This will be huge. Guys, the quicker that this Clarity Act gets signed into law, the faster we will end up seeing a recovery for XRP and the ISO tokens. So if this gets signed into law in June, that will be great news, and I would be expecting a major move up for XRP probably for the rest of the year. And here's from Chart Nerd, XRP, are you handling the pressure? We've got this multi-year ascending support. And you can see, guys, right now it's coming in around 70 to 90 cents. But if we extend this out, what Chart Nerd is saying is we potentially will not get a major run up, a major move to the upside until 2028. So that's a year and a half away. We'll just kind of have to wait and see what happens. There's other fractals out there that show it could be happening very, very soon. And yeah, I mean, altogether, I think the multi-year ascending support usually gets touched before having a major move up. Every single time it gets touched and then we move up, gets touched and then we have a move up. So I think before our next move up, no matter when it happens, we're coming back to this level around 70 to 90 cents. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'll keep you updated along the way. I appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, liking the content, and I will see you in the next one. Till next time.
Let's see what you got, LeBron. Flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, just want a piece of mind. They focus on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping like a butcher, you the people blind.